Hi guys, ChrisFitness here. Today I want to show you one of the great, I like this machine, it's a ab machine, right? Crunching machine. I'll show you how it looks like. So all you have to do is just sit. Many gyms do have this machine, and if you have it in the gym, please do not miss to use it, right? Because you can do so many variations on it. You can work out, you can do your upper abs, you can do your side, your obliques, your lower. I'll show you how. So now there's the weight right here. You just put the weight, right? I hope you can see very well. And hold here, which is very simple, and keep the chair just comfortable, right? Somewhere comfortable. Hold, and all you have to do is crunch. Now, many people use their hands to pull. Do not use the hands. Use your core to contract. Contract your core. Use your elbows to push more than pulling from your hands. It's like boom, right? Your hands are just holding, and my head and my hands are in the same level, going together. Not like this, pulling with my, no. Use your core 100%, right? Very important. So this is for the ab workouts, middle. Now I'm gonna show you how you can use the same machine for your side or obliques. All you have to do is just sit side, right? You are straight and just go sideways. Very simple. Here, and then hold with one hand, even with two hands if you want to make it easier. You see? Just crunch. You can even do it with one hand. Just crunch. Feel your obliques. You have to feel it, right? If you want to focus more into your upper abs, just upper abs, keep the bench or the chair really low. Very low it is. So for that, just bam, bam, upper ab. More lower ab, more up. Bam, see? And just half. This is working more of my lower abdominal, right? And it's more of mind to muscle connection. Please do try this machine. It's a really great machine if you do have it in your gym. If you do not have, fine, stick to the floor. Enjoy. Cheers. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, please.